start exercise 7.2, question number 6. Now in that question we have to check whether the pairs of fractions given below are equivalent or not. And when we need to check two fractions whether they are equivalent or not, what we will do? We will check them with the help of cross multiply. I will show you here. First fraction is 7 by 8. Second is 12 by 16. To check them whether they are equal or not, we will cross multiply like this. Means this numerator multiply with that denominator and this numerator multiply with this denominator. So here we will multiply 7 into 16 and 8 into 12. So here we get 112 and here we get 96. Now we will see these two answers. If here the answers we get are equal, then we will write the fractions are equivalent. But in this case we don't get the equal numbers. So here we will write 7 by 8 and 12 by 16 are not equivalent fractions. Not equivalent fractions. So in this way you can do rest of the questions. When you get here same answer, you will write equivalent fractions. When you will get here different answers, you will write not equivalent fractions. Now in question number 7, we have to express the following improper fractions as whole numbers. When we have to express any fraction into a whole number, then what we will do? We will divide numerator with the given denominator. Here 25 we will divide with 5. It will goes 5 5s are 25. Now here 25 by 5 in the improper fraction convert as a whole number and that will be equals to 5. Now in 8th question we have to express the following improper fractions as mixed number. Now what is that? As I explained you in previous question, when we need to convert improper fraction into whole, we divide them and these numbers were completely divisible. So we write the answer as a whole number. But if in any fraction, the fractions are not completely divisible, like when we divide 17 by 3, it goes on 3 5s are 15 and 2 is remainder. Now how can we write here answer as a whole number? It is not possible. So we will write the answer in mixed number. Mixed number in the form of Q, R and D. This is the mixed form. Here we will write quotient. Here we will write remainder. And here we will write the divisor. Now how we will write? This is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. Now fill the values. Quotient is 5, remainder is 2 and the divisor is 3. So this is the form of mixed numbers. In question 8 we done improper fraction into mixed. Now in question number 9 we will express mixed number as improper fraction. Now how we will convert it again? For this we will multiply divisor with quotient. Like this is the form of QRD. To solve that we will multiply D with Q and then plus remainder. And in the denominator we will write the divisor as same. So here we will solve. Divisor is 3 multiply quotient is 4 and then plus the remainder that is 2. And in the denominator we will write the divisor. So here we will solve 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 over 3. So this is the conversion of mixed number into improper. Now we will do exercise 7.3. First of all, we will do the book work of that question. So in second question, we have to compare the following like fractions by putting the sign. So here you can see all the fractions are like fraction. Like fraction means when the denominators are same. And when the denominators are same and we need to compare the fractions, we just check the numerator. Which numerator is big, that fraction will be bigger. Here 5, 5, these are equal. We will check 3 and 1. 3 is bigger, so 3 by fraction is bigger. In next fraction, you can see denominator is 7, 7. From the numerator, you can see 5 and 2. Here 5 is bigger, so 5 by 7 fraction is bigger. See the next one. Here in the numerator, we have 2 and 7. 7 is bigger, so 7 by 9 fraction is bigger. So in this way you can solve rest of the parts. Now in question number 2, which is smaller, 2 by 5 or 4 by 5? Now here you can see denominators are same, and from the numerator we will check 2 is smaller or 4. Here 2 is smaller, so 2 by 5 fraction is smaller. But in B part, you can see denominators are not equal, but numerators are equal. When numerators are equal and we have to select from the denominator, then the action will be reversed. Means which number looks bigger, that fraction will be smaller. Like when we are checking from the denominator, here 15 is not bigger, that will be smaller. 6 by 15 fraction is the smaller one and 6 by 11 fraction is the bigger one. Now after that we will do fifth question in the book. Compare the following unit fraction. Here also we will follow the method of that B part. Here you can see numerators are same. These are unit fraction. So we have to check from the denominator. So 5 is not bigger. 5 is smaller here than 3. So 1 by 5 is smaller and 1 by 3 is bigger fraction. And here also 1 by 9 and 1 by 10, two fraction we have. Here 1 by 9 is bigger than 1 by 10. In next also 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 we have. Here also 1 by 2 will be the bigger one.